Hey guys, it's your girl, Southern Comfort Glam, Angela, aka all that good stuff. Thanks you guys so much for tuning in. So here was a requested look, a burnt orange look. I kind of put a little twist to it. Got a little inspiration from, can I remember her name? She's on YouTube. I'll leave it in the description below. But yeah, so I actually completed this whole look using the Colourpop Yes Please palette. I was looking for just a strictly orange palette, something where I can just explore all different shades of orange. I have several oranges here, but not comprised into one whole palette. So this palette was able to give me the look that I was looking for with little or no money. So this is kind of like a drugstore thing, you know. But if you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned.
She my kryptonite, that's every night. Can't get enough, creeping up my flow gets fine, baby. You know I've been working towards the only time I hit you up is late at night. It's late at night, yeah, yeah. She my kryptonite, that's every night. Can't get enough, creeping up my flow gets fine, baby. You know I've been working towards the only time I hit you up is late at night. It's late at night, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Baby, I'm sorry if I hit you up, I'm faded. The only time I hit you up is when I'm wasted. Girl, you just all up in my mind, I can't erase it. Now, girl, just ride with it. Baby, just ride with it. I wrote this down for you and I so we could vibe with it. Don't listen to all of those words cause they got lies in it. The only thing that separates us is that time difference. She my kryptonite, that's every night. Can't get enough, creeping up my flow gets fine, baby. You know I've been working towards the only time I hit you up is late at night. It's late at night, yeah, yeah. She my kryptonite, that's every night. Can't get enough, creeping up my flow gets fine, baby. You know I've been working towards the only time I hit you up is late at night. It's late at night, yeah, yeah, yeah. Late at night, I had her late at night. She wanna stay the night. I told her, baby, you should cut, but I just say it nice. She in her feelings while I'm never tryna say it twice. One time, the only time. And she would never get with this again. Finish off with her and then I meet her friends, yeah, yeah. Shawty said she fell in love with the bands. She just like my clothes, she just like my trends, yeah. She my kryptonite, that's every night. Can't get enough, creeping up my flow is fine, baby. You know I've been working towards the only time I hit you up is late at night. It's late at night, yeah, yeah. She my kryptonite, that's every night. Can't get enough, creeping up my flow is fine, baby. You know I've been working towards the only time I hit you up is late at night. It's late at night, yeah, yeah, yeah. Kryptonite, she make me weak even when I'm at my best. Like I got an S on my chest. Sleepless nights, I get no rest. She asked me if I regret. I got nothing to confess. Every time that she come around me, I got a hand around my neck like she my kryptonite, that's every night. Can't get enough, creeping up my flow is fine, baby. You know I've been working towards the only time I hit you up is late at night. It's late at night, yeah, yeah. She my kryptonite, that's every night. Can't get enough, creeping up my flow is fine, baby. You know I've been working towards the only time I hit you up is late at night. It's late at night, yeah, yeah. She my kryptonite, that's every night. Can't get enough, creeping up. My flow gets fine, baby. You know I've been working towards the only time I hit you up is late at night. It's late at night, yeah, yeah. She my kryptonite, that's every night. Can't get enough, creeping up. My flow gets fine, baby. You know I've been working towards the only time I hit you up is late at night. It's late at night, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright, you guys, so this video was just short, sweet, to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, my fall series video, Burnt Orange, if you guys requested. Be sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, check out some more of my videos that I have. My Halloween series is up and running. Thanks you guys so much. Talk to you later. Bye.
The only thing that separates us is that time difference. She my kryptonite, that's every night. Can't get enough, creeping up.